How to make TikTok captions stay longer on your video. Well, while you're uploading the video, if you are using auto caption or you are adding in the caption on the video, right? For instance, let me head over to any video here. And now this is not a caption, unfortunately, so I'll just add in here. So now what you can do is you can add in auto caption or you can type in the captions yourselves right this way. Now either ways the captions will appear, you'll have it edited and various other things, right? However, you want to set it stay longer, right? Then you can tap on it and you want to find set duration option. Now you can select the duration, whether it lasts for 2.5 seconds from the beginning, or you can set it in the middle from where you want. You want to choose the times, select it in the frame, and then set the start and end time as per you want. So this is how you can set up duration for auto captions or captions in TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.